everyone, today's tutorial is on BES4 lettering software, more specifically using the name drop tool. If you don't know what BES4 lettering software is, it's an embroidery software put out by Brother that works with embroidery machines as well as their scan and cut machines. So let's hop right into it. Today we're going to create a new design. We're going to use the name drop tool. The name drop tool is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of effort. How, you ask? Well, let's look. Say you're doing a big job. Maybe, for example, we're going to do backpacks for the football team. Just throwing that out there. It could be anything, all right, that you have to do multiple of. So just for funsies, we'll throw in a little football there. If you know me, I like to look at it in the hoop. So I'm going to select my hoop as well as 3D. And if you don't know what all these buttons are, I do an overview video, so make sure to look at my channel, subscribe to it so you don't miss any more tutorials, and then you can see the overview video of how to work this software in particular. Alright, so we're going to add a name. Oh, let's see, we're going to go with something easy, Daily. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add our first name, Bill. Bill sounds like someone who plays football. All right, so I've selected my font. I can go ahead and change the color, whatever color I want it to be. We're gonna maybe go to range here and center them so it looks nice and centered. Okay, so now if I have it exactly how I want it, right? We have our football, we have our name saved, we have the font we want, the colors we want, and the placement that we want. Say there's, how many people are on a football team? I don't know. Say there's 12 more names that we have to save. Well, instead of coming over here and doing the names individually and retyping them out and saving them, it's going to save us a lot of time by coming over here and choosing name drops. So name drops is going to ask you where you wanted to save it. Right now it says my desktop, but we can drop down and choose where we want to save it, maybe our USB or directly over to the machine. The base file, I'm going to call this football since that's one for the football team. Okay, now you can do it where it opens these files individually. That way you can edit them, but if you don't have time for all that, we can go ahead and choose do not open the file, as well as saving the files in the correct format for your machine. So we're going to click over here. My machine in particular takes PES, but you can choose whatever file format that your machine takes. Okay, now dropping down. The first name that we have saved is Bill. So it's going to have our text, which is our name that we put first. Font, which is called Daily. If you look over here on the right hand side, that is the name of the font that we chose for this project in particular. The height, and you can change the height maybe 2 inches, 1 inch, whatever that you're wanting, but it's going off what we saved first, and then how we aligned it right there in the center. So now that we have our baseline, we're going to go ahead and add a name. Bill. Bill, who else plays football with you? Maybe Michael. Maybe Michael plays football. We can go ahead and add him, and we can even preview and see what it's going to look like. Like, okay, that's good. Then we can go ahead and just start adding all the names that we want. And here, let's see. Go ahead and add the full team. We can keep going. Oh, we added Bob twice. That's okay. We can take out a name. Sorry, Bob. All right. So once you've added the whole team in and you have previewed each one to kind of make sure that your spacing's just the way you want it, you can go down here and click save. I don't have the save option right this second because I am in demo mode. No big deal. If you have purchased the BES4 software, you'll be able just to click the save. And then now you have cut so much time, you can get back to doing your embroidery instead of trying to use all your time making the design. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to look at my other videos going over BES4 software and basic sewing embroidery tutorials. As always, happy stitching.